Guys, welcome to my channel. Your laptop keep freeze, didn't turn off, still freeze not working, any features is not working and like that, not totally freeze. So guys, how to normal? So guys, first method, perform hard reboot. Okay, so your power key to press 10 second means power key. Just I show you on the. So this one, press 10 second, connect charging cable and hold down 10 to 15 second. After screen off, then remove your finger from the power button and again remove your charging cable from your laptop. Wait 5 to 10 second, again connect your printer and just single click to power button again. Okay, when you start your computer normally, then follow next I giving that method to do not come again the freeze and the same conditions. Okay, so this is a SFC scanner. So how to run? This is command. I will give you this command in the video descriptions. So open CMD, click to start and type CMD. Right click to run as administrator. Then yes. So this is first command. Okay, copy and paste. If guys it is not copy paste, so you can type manually. Okay, so step by step, one by one, enter the command. This is first, second, third, fourth. Then second, then third. Then last. Hi guys. Created a restore point or automatically created a restore point. How to restore? So click to start and type restore, create restore point, create restore point to click. You can type point, otherwise you create restore. So what is, then click to system restore, then next select this date, and you can check here to show all uh, auto and manual. This is type, okay, and then next and finish, and this is asking for the restart, and then click it. So Microsoft online scanner, offline scanner. So click to start and type Windows security. So this one, single click to open, then click to virus threat protections, scan option, scroll down Microsoft Defender and antivirus offline scanner to click, and then yes, and wait few seconds. The system will be sign out and then restart. Okay, after will be start scanning and detect antiviruses and temp files and all. Then it is completed, almost 91% done. Then automatic restart your system. Now this is login. Start.